Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your chosen radar feed and immediately setting the range and scan mode. Do this now so data is meaningful. Once done, enable reflectivity and velocity layers and set a 5-minute refresh depending on speed of storms. Make sure time-lapse is on for trend detection and that elevation is appropriate for your distance. These first steps stop wasted scrolling and get you analyzing real data fast. You now interpret the core products. Look at reflectivity to find intensity and core structure, then switch to radial velocity to detect inbound/outbound couplets. This shows rotation and shear. Once confident, toggle dual polarization to separate hail from heavy rain and to eliminate ground clutter. Make sure to compare elevation cuts and run a short time lapse. Watching evolution reveals storm motion and growth, which is crucial for you. Finish by confirming storm track with multi-scan trends and by setting alert thresholds so you're notified of rapid changes. Once done, capture key frames and export data for situational awareness or post-event review. Sharing keeps others informed. If something looks off, first verify feed latency and refresh rates, then toggle clutter suppression and check for recent radar maintenance advisories. This troubleshooting step usually clears false echoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.